Hello, how is everybody doing? Hello, and welcome, we're in the business office. And this is my friend Auntie. My Auntie.
Hi.
She wants to hide. And then this is the exit sign. Big door. Man. People coming in the doorway. And the door is closing. And me. My mom.
Just mommy.
And yeah. And then my light switch. On, off, on, off, on, off. I'm trying to zoom in. How do you zoom in?
You can't on the video.
Well, I can.
Because iPads.
Say something.
What do I say? Hi.
Hello. Okay, so we are in a office, doctor's office. So everybody's packed.
Do that.
Oh, me.
Only us. Only us.
Hello. How is everybody doing today?
You're covering the camera. There you go.
Sorry. I want you guys to know that we're at the business office. And then we're going to my grandma's so we can
eat lasagna.
Yummy. And my papa cooks really good food. So, yeah. Bye.